So hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to start a new playlist for the advanced Excel. In this playlist, we are going to learn Excel from the starting. So once we open the Excel, we get this option like file. So in file, there are different types of sheet that we can take. Example, blank worksheet, welcome to Excel and all. These are the some Excel sheet that you can take. Then there is a recent name. So these are the recent Excel sheets in my computer that are shown here. Then you can take a new blank worksheet, or there are other types of worksheets that are available. You can choose any one that you want. And then there's an open option in which there are whatever Excel files you have in your PC that you can open to this option. Now, then there's info. In info, you get everything like what is the size of your Excel sheets and everything, when it is modified, last modified, then created, all this information you will get. Then you can protect your file from here, like you can add a password to your Excel sheet. That can be done through this protect workbook option. Then there's a save option, whatever content you have written in your Excel sheet that you can save from there. Now there is another option as save as. So this option will help you to convert your Excel sheet into some like CSV files and all. So you just need to choose where the location, like you want to save this file on your desktop or any other folder that you can decide. And based on that, you can save your worksheet as a CSV and any other form that you wanted. Then there's option print. You can print your Excel sheet if you have a printer. Then there's option share. If you are if you have login in your Excel, then you can share that file. Then come to the export again. You can you can export the content that you have in Excel sheet into the PDF or XPS. Okay, so these are the options. Then if you are using Power BI, that at that time you will need this option publish. There's a close. Now we are going to learn about the other things. So this is a common Excel sheet. Now if you want to write anything, you can just write anything that you needed. So this is our first column. So this A, B, C, D, these are columns, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, these are rows. Okay. Now, if you want to make a bill, or if you want to add something, if I write a name. Okay. Now this is I want to bold. I need to bold this word. So what I'll do, there's an option like here, bold, Italian, then the underline, and if you click here, then you can do the double underline as well. Then there are options, there are different fonts that you can use here. Okay, then the size you can increase from here. Then you can, like, you want to make this word more bigger, then you can use this to increase the size. As well as if you want to small it down, then you can use this small a. Then you can fill the column by any color that you want. There are different colors are given here. You can choose any one that you want. Okay, then if you want to change the color, then that also you can do from here. Then there is a border option. You can do the bottom border. Bottom border means you will get the border here. As you can see here, if I choose the border option, then I'll get, suppose, a bottom border. If I choose a thick bottom border, thick bottom border, then see, I'll get this thick bottom border here. Even I can choose the different borders, like all borders, thick outside border. So I'll get the thick outside border here. Okay, So there are different these. What is the main use of this folder option is that you can create a table as well as, and you can highlight something. Okay, so that is important. Then we come to the next option, that is the alignment. You can align it at the center, at right hand side, left hand side, that you can do with this option. Then next we come to the now you can this alignment option you can use as you can see here. If I write something here and I want it to be in center, so I can choose this option, then this. So there are there's this alignment option will use to make your word or sentence to be at center, or you can do it at the left side or right side. Then there's another option, this. So this option is used mostly when you want some, you're working with some making of bills that you want. Suppose this in this way, if your heading or a column name you want it to be in any design or in any angle, like vertical you want in rotate angle. So in this way you can do these things. Most of the time if happen, if we need to use these options when we are giving name to the suppose x-axis or y-axis you have, then you wanted to do your name y-axis in vertical angle, so at that time you can use this option. Okay, so this is the option. Then now if you want to make it back, so you need to get this in 90 degree, or it could be C. Then this is the option which will again use to make your name at the left or right side. Then there's another option that is very much important. Like if you want to merge these 2 or 3 columns together, at that time this merge and center option is used. If you use this option, so what happened here is, here we have 3 different columns, but we have merged this column and make it as a one column. So that you can use here, and most of the time it is used when you are working with making of bills and all. Then wrap text is an option. Okay. Then there are general things. Okay, so for today's video, we are going to end up here. But in next video, we are going to see the other option as well, and we are going to cover a whole Excel or advanced Excel portion here. Thank you for watching.